Hi friends! Welcome back to an episode of Sunshine Swatches. Today we are swatching the Grabie Jumbo Glitter Gel Pens. This set comes with 18 different colors and they are some juicy pens, let me tell you. I absolutely love the color payoff of each of these pens. I would say that one of the cons is that they do take a little bit longer to dry. So if you're going to be using them in your coloring books, I would leave your coloring page open and allow plenty of time for them to dry. Otherwise, they are fantastic color payoff and they add so much sparkle to your pages. So enjoy the rest of the swatching and let me know if you try them out.